Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus 15 and I'm gonna show you all the different ways to take a screenshot on this phone. So first, let's go to the page we want to capture. So for example, I'm gonna open, I don't know, maybe settings. Let's say we want to take a screenshot now. We can do it in few ways. To take a screenshot, the easiest way is to just take a three fingers and swipe them down on the screen, like this. And it will take a screenshot. You can tell by this preview right here on the side. You can also press and hold the power button and volume down button to take a screenshot. You can also take a part of a screen. Instead of like a whole screen, you can also select part of it by first pressing the fingers until you see this on the screen. Then you can swipe to take a part of the screen as a screenshot, and then you can confirm by tapping on the check mark. And you can also take a scrolling screenshot. So basically it will scroll through the whole page. To do it, first swipe, then tap on scroll. It will start scrolling, and when you decide to stop, you can tap on done, and it will take the scrolling screenshot. And once you're done taking your screenshots, you can go to the gallery or photos. There should be gallery somewhere here. I don't see gallery. What about photos? I don't see photos as well. Did somebody hide them? Oh, there's photos. Okay, so we can open photos. Okay, and if we go to the albums, screenshots, you will have your screenshots right here. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.